Hello, welcome to my channel, 5 Minutes English Story Every Day. Today we are going to learn listening English through story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing and educational stories. The Magical Garden. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a little girl named Lily. Lily loved flowers and plants. She dreamed of having her own garden, but her family was poor and they didn't have much land. One day, while walking near the forest, Lily found a tiny seed on the ground. It was golden and sparkled in the sunlight. "What a beautiful seed," Lily said. She decided to plant it in her backyard. She dug a small hole, placed the seed inside, and covered it with soil. Every day, Lily watered the seed and talked to it. "Grow big and strong," she would say. One morning, Lily woke up and saw something amazing. A small green plant had grown from the seed overnight. It had bright green leaves and a tiny bud. Lily was so excited. She continued to take care of the plant, and soon the bud opened into a beautiful flower. The flower was unlike anything Lily had ever seen. It had petals that shimmered in all the colors of the rainbow. But the most amazing thing happened when Lily touched the flower. Suddenly, she heard a soft voice. "Thank you for taking care of me," the flower said. Lily was surprised but not scared. "You can talk?" she asked. "Yes," said the flower. "I am a magical flower. Because you were kind and took care of me, I will grant you one wish." Lily thought carefully. She wanted many things, but she decided to wish for something that would help everyone in the village. "I wish for a big, beautiful garden where everyone can grow their own food and flowers," she said. The magical flower glowed brightly. "Your wish is granted," it said. The next day, Lily woke up and ran outside. She couldn't believe her eyes. Her backyard had turned into a huge, magical garden. There were rows of vegetables, fruit trees, and flowers of every color. The garden was so big that it stretched all the way to the edge of the forest. Lily called all the villagers to come and see. Everyone was amazed. "This is wonderful," they said. "Now we can all grow our own food and have beautiful flowers." From that day on, the magical garden became the heart of the village. People worked together to take care of it. They planted seeds, watered the plants, and shared the harvest. Lily was very happy because her wish had brought joy to everyone. One day, the magical flower spoke to Lily again. "You have done a great thing," it said. "Because of your kindness, this garden will always be magical. It will never run out of food or flowers, and it will bring happiness to the village forever." Lily smiled and thanked the flower. She knew that the garden was a special place, and she promised to always take care of it. Years passed, and Lily grew up, but the magical garden remained as beautiful as ever. People from other villages came to visit and learn about the garden. Lily became known as the girl who brought magic to her village. And so, the magical garden continued to grow, bringing food, flowers, and happiness to everyone who visited. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.